Hello again. Here's another one I have written. Um, Hope you like it. I can still see my breath. It's a very cold day today. Okay, I call this, well, I had a dream, but my mom was in a kind of like a Firetruck tank, a train, public car. So I wrote this down. I call this, my mom was in a Firetruck, a train, in a tank-like car that hovers in the air. And my mom came over to me in a car-like vehicle, like between a fire truck, a train, a tank that hovers far high above the air, hover like a plane. Came over to me. As I came over to her, and she held me in her arms. The man who's looked like Jesus is the pilot of it. Jesus is the firefighter of our lives, who saves us from the fires of hell, who picks us up and carries us along our paths unto the Father in life. Jesus is the engineer of our lives. He delivered us to the Father. Jesus is a soldier who drives a tank, who fought the enemies that came in our lives, a heaven that flies through the air, that come to us and take us to the Father, heaven, who bring my mom to me, who gave me my mom. Jesus chose to pick out my mom to be my mom. As my mom came out with joy and happiness as she stepped out, Jesus is the general of heaven who comes in, knocked out the darkness that's lingering in our lives, and come back to us.